Hi, I'm Joe Jonovich, entomologist with ePestHero.com. Today I want to tell you a little bit about Dominant. Dominant is a liquid ant bait by Nisus. Formerly they call this taro, but this is a really good ant bait. It comes in little single-use bait stations. It comes in big bulk bottles if you want to put out, gallons over large areas. But I love these little single-use stations. They're really nice. You break them by flipping them back, and you just set that on the counter, and that's it. The ants will walk up the station, go down the ramp, eat the sweet ant bait, take it back to the colony, spread it around to everybody else, and in a week or two, the entire colony is dead. So great to use ant bait for around your home, restaurants, kitchens, anywhere you have sweet feeding ants coming into your home. For more information on Dominant, visit our website at ePestHero.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product reviews and informational videos for all your pest control needs.